welcome back to Educate India. So today we are going to complete RBI Bank full detail. Okay, so this is a detailed explanation regarding Reserve Bank of India. So guys, without wasting our much of time directly, let's begin to our video and let's learn the specific points regarding RBI, means Reserve Bank of India. Alright, so RBI is also called the type of centralized bank of India. Okay, we can say head central governor. Alright, so in the option it can come in your exam that what exactly we can call to RBI. So it is supposed to be centralized bank of India. Okay, it is also the central bank of Pakistan, not only India, in fact Pakistan also. And not only Pakistan, it's also the central bank of Myanmar, which is also called Burma. Alright, Burma. Okay, so establishment is the establishment of RBI was not war, in fact so it is supposed to be 1935. Okay, and before, at the time of 1934, an act passed. After this, the act passed, this RBI bank established. Alright, so the headquarter at the time of its establishment is in Kolkata, and after some time it is supposed to be transferred in Mumbai at the time of 1937. Okay, after 3 years. Alright, so now at the time of 1949 it's nationalization. Alright, okay, so in which the RBI was set up on the basis of the recommendations of the Royal Commissions on Indian Currency and Finance, also known as the Hilton Young Commission. Okay, in short, it was set up by which commission? The recommendations जो नहीं मिला था, what exactly the recommendations they got from which commission? So the commission name is Hilton Young Commission. Okay, the name is Hilton Young Commission. So this is a very much important name. Alright, the commissions, so you should learn, you can write in your notebook. Alright, it might be help you. Okay, so next one is, by the way, RBI is divided into total 4 parts. Alright, first of all, total members. The overall RBI lies with the 21 member Central Board of Directors, where the 4 deputy members are deputy governors. Alright, 2 finance ministry representatives, 10 government nominated directors, and 4 directors who represent local board of Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. Alright, this is crucial point. Okay, 4 local board of Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. Okay, 4 directors who represent the local board. So repeat it with me, because these all are very very crucial point. Okay, so while I am using the word crucial, means it's extremely important. Alright, it's really significant. So in your all of the exams, what exactly you are gonna give. Okay, after your higher 10th pass, 12th pass, graduation, that doesn't matter. These all are important. Okay, so by the way, when we are talking about the 4 local boards, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi, so we should know also know some of the important points regarding this. Okay, so 4 members we have in the Mumbai, Sri Sanjay Malhotra. Alright, Sri Sanjay Malhotra in the Mumbai. Mumbai placed on southwestern India. Okay, Mumbai is in southwestern India. Kolkata, Sri R. Kesavan. Sri R. Kesavan, which is in eastern. Kolkata is in eastern. Chennai, SMT Uma Shankar. SMT Uma Shankar, which is in southern India. Delhi, Sri Rohit P. Das. Okay, Sri Rohit P. Das, which is in northern India. Alright, so you should know all of these names, you should learn it. Okay, so repeat it with me, you will learn already. Okay, so automatically you can learn. By the way, Central Governor of RBI is Sanjay Malhotra. Okay, 25th Governor of RBI. Alright, okay, first Central Governor, because when we are talking about 25th Central Governor, which is who is Sanjay Malhotra, so we should have some of the knowledge regarding first governor, second governor, third governor also, okay? So we should have the knowledge of them also. By the way, first, second, third, that's all. All of them are not so important, but first, second and third, most crucial, okay? So we should know because these all are very much famous. That is why you should have some ideas regarding this, okay? First central governor is Sir Osborne Smith. Sir Osborne Smith. Second is Sir James Braid Taylor, okay? And the third one is, last but not the least, was Sir C.D. Deshmukh, okay? And here it's 25 numbers Sanjay Malhotra, alright? Okay, so that's all. By the way, the next one is, okay, wait, Sir C.D. Deshmukh was the first Indian governor, okay? Alright, so there are 4 currency passes in India of RBI, coins, SPM, CIL and note. Okay, so we will learn each and every one point one by one, okay? The 4 currency passes by in India of RBI is, first is Nasik, Devas, Mysore and Salboni. What these all are names? Okay, so Nasik, Western India in short Mumbai, okay? Alright, which is on the behalf of government. Next is Devas, Central India, on the behalf of own presses. Mysore, Southern India, RBI, and Salboni in Eastern India. These both are in RBI presses, okay? Okay, so the upper both side, Nasik and Devas, on the behalf of government owned presses, okay? And downwards, both of them, Mysore and Salboni, are on the behalf of RBI presses, okay? So remember these all, what exactly presses exactly it is, okay? Now, coins, what exactly it is? Coins are maintained in 4 mines, okay? Owned by SPMCIL. The mines are located at Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Noida, okay? The mines are located at Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Noida, okay? MHK and MHK, and remember these are the tricks, okay? I will also provide the trick, but after some time on my next video, okay? Because I don't want to full of this video to make it so lengthy, okay? I don't like it again. It will be short, by the way. Finance Secretary signs are present in the 1 rupee note, and okay, Finance Secretary signs are present in the 1 rupees note. Other notes, Governor of RBI signs, okay? On the other notes, Governor of RBI signs are present on it, okay? Maximum only places can print only 1,000, okay? Not more, alright. So, now this is the very crucial point, functions of RBI and how exactly it works. So, MPC, Monetary Policy Committee. Here are some of the points are given like repo rate, reverse repo rate. Okay, so these all are tools. Total 6 tools of MPC are present here. Okay, so repo rate, reverse repo rate, open market operations, bank rate, which is also called discount rate, cash reserve ratio, CRR, and SLR, which is statutory liquidity ratio. So guys, let's learn one by one. The number 1 is repo rate. Repo rate. This is the rate at which commercial banks borrow money from the RBI against the security of government security. In short, RBI से लोन लेते हैं and और बदले में गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी को गिरवी रखते हैं. सारे बैंक्स का काम होता है, ओके? वो RBI से लोन लेते हैं and उसके बदले में गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी को बोरो इन सब गिरवी में रखते हैं, ओके? Next one is reverse repo rate. This is the rate at which banks can park their excess funds with the RBI. In short, बैंक्स अपने एक्स्ट्रा पैसे RBI के पास रखवाते हैं जिसमें उन्हें थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, ओके? क्या मिलता है उन्हें? इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, ऑलराइट? The next one is open market operations. By the way, open market operations आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड चल रहा है, ओके? मार्केट में बैंक के थ्रू भी काफी ज्यादा ट्रेंडिंग में देखा जाता है इसे, ओके? So these we can say This involves the buying or selling of government securities by the RBI in the open market to manage liquidity. Okay, in short, RBI क्या करता है ना, RBI ये करता है कभी कभी मार्केट में गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी को खरीदता है या बेचता है. ओके, खरीदता भी है बेचता भी है. क्यों बेचता है खरीदता है? ताकि मार्केट के जो पैसे हैं उसमें फ्लक्चुएशन होना इस साथ. ओके, इन शॉर्ट सपोज करो अगर हम शेयर्स की बात करें, सो शेयर्स जो है उनमें फ्लक्चुएट हो, मतलब शेयर ऊपर जाए फिर नीचे आए, बायर साइड सेलर साइड. सो हाउ दैट्स हाउ दीज बोथ आर फ्लक्चुएट ईच अदर. ओके, मार्केट अगर ऊपर जाएगा तो हमारी प्राइस भी ऊपर जाएगी, अगर मार्केट हमारा नीचे आएगा देन आप प्राइस डाउनवर्ड. ओके, प्राइस भी हमारे नीचे जाएगी. सो दैट्स हाउ अ नॉर्मल सिंपली मार्केट फ्लक्चुएट. ओके, ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट इज गाइस बैंक रेट. This is the rate at which they lend money to commercial banks. In short, RBI बैंक को डायरेक्ट लोन देता है. No need to have any securities and all. Okay, आपको कोई भी सिक्योरिटी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. RBI जो है वो बैंक को डायरेक्टली लोन दे सकता है. ओके, कुछ भी ऐसे गिरवी रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, जैसे हम रेपो रेट में रख रहे थे वैसे उसमें करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, नाउ CRR, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो. This is percentage of the deposits that banks are required to keep the RBI. In short, banks को अपने टोटल पेंशन का थोड़ा हिस्सा जैसे कि 4% RBI के पास रखना पड़ता है विदाउट एनी इंटरेस्ट. इट इज कंपल्सरी. इन शॉर्ट, सपोज करो बैंक्स की जो भी सैलरी उनकी है, उनकी जो भी फिक्स अमाउंट उनको मिल रहा है, उसमें से उन्हें 4% हिस्सा RBI बैंक को देना पड़ता है, वहां रखवाना पड़ता है. एंड इट इज कंपल्सरी विदाउट एनी इंटरेस्ट के साथ में. ओके, नो नीड टू हैव एनी इंटरेस्ट एंड ऑल, विदाउट एनी इंटरेस्ट इट इज कंपल्सरी. ऑलराइट गाइस, द नेक्स्ट वन इज SLR, which is statutory liquidity ratio. This is the percentage of deposit that banks are required to maintain in liquid assets like government securities and cash. बैंक्स को अपने कुछ पैसे लिक्विड एसेट्स में रखना पड़ता है. सो गाइस देखो, जैसे घर में होते हैं ना, घर में जो खर्चे होते हैं नॉर्मली ऐसे, सो उसमें से हम कुछ पैसे सेविंग्स में रखते हैं. ओके, सेविंग मनी के बारे में सुना होगा आपने, सेविंग अकाउंट. ओके, जो नॉर्मली हम ATM से यूज करते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ इट्स वर्क. ओके, हम उसमें से अपने कुछ पैसे साइड में रखते हैं उन्हें बचाकर, ताकि वो हमारे इमरजेंसी में काम आए. ओके, एंड द सेम प्रोसेस इट्स हैपन इन RBI bank also. Okay, so that's how the banks and RBI, both of them are deal to each other. Okay, by the way, the next one is which we are going to complete. It's very crucial point. Okay, which is regarding government bank of function of RBI. हमने ये तो डिसाइड कर लिया कि बैंक्स का क्या फंक्शन होता है. Now stand alone, गवर्नमेंट कैसे फंक्शन करता है RBI के साथ. ओके, गवर्नमेंट कैसे डील करता है RBI के साथ. ओके, सो इनका एक बहुत ही फेमस मेथड है WMA, वेज एंड मीन्स एडवांसेज. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं एक बार इसे डिफाइन कर देती हूँ. लेट मी डिफाइन इट. WMA is a mechanism used by RBI under its credit policies to provide to states banking with it to help them tide over temporary mismatch and in the cash flow of their receipts and payments. Okay, mismatches. All right. इन सब गाइस, इसका कहने का मतलब ये है, जो हमारा RBI फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज गवर्नमेंट बैंक, इसे हम गवर्नमेंट बैंक की नजरिए से देखेंगे. ऑलराइट, ओके, सो इंडिया RBI इसका गवर्नमेंट पर्सनल बैंक है. ऑलराइट, गवर्नमेंट का पर्सनल बैंक भी होता है RBI. इट्स एक्चुअली इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस. RBI एग्जैक्टली हैंडल क्या करता है गवर्नमेंट का? इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस हैंडल करता है. टैक्स कलेक्शन पेमेंट कहाँ कहाँ हो रही है वो सारी चीजें हैंडल करता है. और नॉट इनफैक्ट मोर लोन फॉर गवर्नमेंट को कब लोन देना है, कितना लोन देना है, दीज ऑल वर्क्स हैंडल बाय RBI. ओके, मैनेज एंड इशू गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज. कौन से चीजों को मैनेज करना है, सिक्योरिटीज को कब मैनेज करना है, उन्हें कैसे इशू करना है थ्रू लोन, कैसे उन्हें गिरवी रखवाना है. सो दीज ऑल वर्क्स हैंडल्ड बाय RBI. ओके, बाय द वे, WMA वेज एंड मीन्स एडवांसेस मीन्स कभी कभी गवर्नमेंट के पास ना शॉर्ट टर्मिनेशन में पैसे कम पड़ जाते हैं. ओके, ऐसा होता है कई बार कि जैसे सपोज करो मैंने एक बिजनेस खोला, मेरे पास बिजनेस में मुझे लॉस हो गया, तो मेरे पास बिजनेस में थोड़ा सा मेरे पास कम पैसा बचा, ओके। मैं क्या करूँगी उस टाइम पे, मैं लोन लूँगी, ऑलराइट। अदरवाइज मैं किसी बिजनेस सेकेंड कंपनी से कोलैबोरेट करूँगी, उनसे कोलैबोरेशन लूँगी, देन उनसे मैं पैसे लेकर के अपने एम्प्लॉय को मैं मनी प्रोवाइड करूँगी, ऑलराइट। द सेम वे लाइक सैलरी देनी होती है गवर्नमेंट्स को, बट मनी हैजंट कम येट, उनके पैसे अभी तक नहीं आए हैं। देन आरबीआई गवर्नमेंट को टेम्पररी लोन देता है, ओके। आरबीआई क्या करता है उस टाइम, वो गवर्नमेंट को टेम्पररी लोन देता है, और इस सिस्टम को वी कैन कॉल इट WMA, ओके। इस पूरे जो भी सिस्टम है गवर्नमेंट को लोन देना आरबीआई के थ्रू, इस सिस्टम को WMA कहा जाता है, ऑलराइट। इट्स शॉर्ट वेज एंड मीन्स एडवांसेस। So that's all guys, now it's time to over it, okay. It's high time, and this is whole our 16 minutes of explanation is completed. Now in the next video I will complete each and every MCQ, PYQ, previous year questions, multiple choice questions related to these all, okay. Till then keep coming, keep learning and keep exploring guys. Take care, bye bye, have a nice day, love you all.